Hey folks, welcome to Gamify Route. In today's video, we are going to show you how you can use the campaign features for your website. So just click on the campaign feature. Here in the campaign feature, you need to click on add campaign. So in the add campaign, you have multiple options to choose from, such as like scratch and win, pay and reveal, slot machine, and spin the wheel. Most of these three games are coming soon on our roadmap, but as of now you can use the scratch and win game. So just click on that. Okay, when you choose any game, we have a predefined templates of library which you can use directly as per your niche or as per your occasion. So for example, there is a occasion of Valentine Day, then you can use directly this template. So rather than starting from the scratch, you can use this template. Also, if you want to see like how these templates are actually look like and how it is work, you just need to click on the preview. So it will open in the new tab, and here you can see how it templates actually look like. So you can basically play the game. Okay, and you can properly go through the whole game and you are able to know that how it is all going to work, and you can just click on the reset if you want to use it again. So before selecting any game, you are able to check out the preview. Here in the first one, this is the blank template, so all things are just as a blank over there. You need to put your data over there. So if you are starting from first time, then I suggest go with some predefined template. If you master this whole, then I suggest go with the blank template. So let's get started with this template. Just click on the use template. Here you need to provide the name of the template. Here you can select the folder where you want to put this game. Here is the time zone. So as per your business, we are taking the time zone, but you can just change this if this game or this campaign applies to some another time zone or another country. Here there are multiple steps, or we can say pages of the whole game. You can enable or disable as per your need. I will walk you through with this why these are needed, or on which occasion you can use it, or you can just disable that. Also, you can just click on this question mark and it will give you a little introduction about what is this functionality all about and how you can use it. So I will give you proper detail in the couple of minutes. So just click on the create. So once you create that, the application will take you to our editor. So this is the editor of the Gamify Route. Let me just close it and show you. Okay, so this is the basically our editor. In the left section we have a themes and blocks. In the top section we have a steps, and here in the top right corner we have a preview, publish and devices. Let's go one by one. So here in the theme, as a name suggests, it is define whole look and feel of the whole application, or whole the page, all the campaign what we are going to develop right now. So for example, this is the background color. If you want to change the background color, you can just select and it will be automatically used according to that. Also, there is a page, you want to use a default page or box type page or some kind of that. Also, each of this section have the advanced option. So if you are an advanced user, you can just play with this advanced section. But for normal usage, basic one is the good one. Here is the header part. So if you want to change anything on the header, then you can use from here. If you want to change anything in the footer, then you can use here. Also, you can identify the style of the button, fonts, countdown and all things from here. So basically from the theme, you can identify how actually your whole campaign will look like. So you can identify all the colors and all the things over here, and it will be automatically applied to the all sections. Another thing is the blocks. So blocks is basically a number of components which you can add as per your need. So for example, if you want to add some social icons over here, just click here and just drag and drop. So here it will be automatically add the social icons. So as per your need, you can use the blocks. We are still in the development to adding more and more blocks as per your requirement. Here is the system blocks. So system blocks is basically a block which is must needed to run that particular landing page or particular page. So this 7 type of system blocks are there, and each one is must needed on that page. So for example, this is the landing page, so this landing block is must needed over there. You can't delete it. For example, if you want to delete this, you are able to delete that, but this landing page you are not able to delete that because it's must needed to move forward. So that's the left hand side of the panel. Now let's go to the top hand side. So in the top hand side, we have a whole steps of the pages. So let's start one by one. So in the landing page, so basically landing page is that before your player or your user going to get started the campaign or going to play the game, you can able to provide some information to them, like what is this campaign is all about. Like for example, it's a food industry, then you are able to tell that like if you play that, you are able to get chance to win this or this. So basically landing page is giving some information before they are actually going to start the campaign or start the game. So basically we don't want to like give them a wrong information or give them a wrong thing. So that's why basically landing page is over there. This is the optional. So as per your need, you can keep the landing page. Otherwise, when you create the campaign, you can just disable it. The landing page will be not over there. So once people will move from landing page to here, this is the opt-in form. So in the opt-in page, you are able to get some data before user going to play the actual game. So for example, before they enter into the game, you want some data from them. Like for example, give us your first name, last name, email, some kind of that. Also, the beauty is that this form is completely, you can customize as per your need. So for example, you need an email on the top, you can just drag and drop and email will be on top. Also, we have some predefined fields over there. So as per your need, you can use the predefined fields. Like for example, you want to add terms and conditions, just click over there. Okay. And terms and condition will be there. Also, you can customize the styles as per your need. Like for example, you need to change some background and all things. So that all you can able to change it. Now, also the opt-in page is optional. If your use cases not want data from the user, then you can just uncheck the opt-in form. After that, there is a play page. So this is the main heart of the game. So this is the page when user actually play the game. As per the configuration, like it's a scratch and win or it's a play and win. As per your selection, the game will be over there. So once you click on that, you have a couple of options over there. Like as this is the scratch and win, this is the scratch pad over there. So for example, it's a spin and win, then there is another options over there. So here this is the foreground image. So as per your need, you can just upload the new image, or you can choose any other image if you want over there. Also, we have a couple of cursors over there. So to get a proper feel, we can choose the, like for example, this is the coin cursor. So if you select this, the cursor will be working as a coin over there. Also, we have audio over there. So as per your need, you can change the audio so people are able to get the good feeling about the actual experience, about like they are actually scratching the things over there. Redirect option. So once the prize or reward is revealed, what you need to do you want to click them manually to go to next page, or if you have auto redirect, so after a couple of seconds they are auto redirect to new page. Also, we have fireworks. So when they win, this is only apply when they win. So if they won, we are able to show some fireworks over there. Okay. Okay, one another thing is like this is the text section. So whenever if you don't want any sections, you just need to be disable them. So for example, Here is the sample text. If we don't want this section, we can just disable that and it will be not take space, or it will be not display over there. Now the next page is the result page. So the result page is also optional. So in the result page, what you can do, you can actually show your user like they won this particular rewards or prize, and now what is the next step. So basically you are providing them information, so how to move further. So here in the result page, maybe your user is won or maybe they got lost. So for that we have two blocks over there. So for example, if someone win, then they are going to see this. If someone lost, then they are going to see this. So you can configure accordingly. This is also a completely optional page. If you don't want, you can just unselect that at the beginning and you are not able to see this. After that, this is the claim page. So for example, after your customer is won something and you want more information from them. So for example, initially you ask for 2-3 information, but now they are the winner, and to give more information or maybe to deliver data to their home or to make some things over there, you must need to get some more information from them. So that's why you can use the claim page. So here they actually need to claim their price, and the claim form is also, we can say, customizable as per your need. You can select, you can make the things like it's a compulsory or not, it's a unique or not. So as per your need, you can just do that. After that, there is a validation page. So for example, in some scenarios, like for example, you want your customers to visit your shop to claim that particular rewards. So for that, you can use this. So here in this scenario, what happened, as per your configuration of validation, they need to be visit your particular place, and once they click on validate, the system will ask some password over there, and the password is only known by the shop owners or the admin, and then they can validate. So this is basically useful to validate that particular things. After that, this is also optional. So as per your scenario, you can do this. And in the last, this is thank you page. So this is also this is the compulsory page. So in whole this journey, only the play and the thank you page are compulsory. Rest of the pages are optional. So as per your need, you can just on off them. So in the thank you page, you can just tell them like you won or you lost and what is the next step. Like for example, do you need to, you can ask them to share this with the customers or another friends or family. So their ending of their journey, the whole campaign will be end over here. Here, as you see, this is the winning block, and also there is a loser block. So as per your need, you can do that. Also, there is a claim rejection, a validation rejection, claim expire. So this is all type of, we can say, scenarios over there. Like for example, they want something and they claim, but due to some wrong information, you have rejected the claim. So that's why you can just select this and they will got like your claim has been rejected due to this reason. For example, validation. So for example, you tell them you must need to visit our shop before this date. And if they are not reached over there, that particular date, so it will show them it's expired. Same as happened to the claim expired. So this all type of configuration you are able to do at the campaign level. I will show you over there how it is happened. Also, like for example, in the whole application, if there is some error, it will show over there. When you click on there, it will show you like there is an error in the opt-in form. So you can just click over there. I see that there is an error over here. So in the form, we haven't put any text over there. So that's why it is showing the error. Okay, so this is the whole journey of the campaign. Here in the device section, you are able to see like whole the look and feel in the tablet, in the mobile, and in the desktop view. Also, while you are creating this, you can save it whenever you think like it's okay to over there, and you can also make a preview. So while you are developing the game, if you want to see how it actually look like, then you can just click on the preview and it will show you the previews over there. So once you satisfy, you need to just click on the publish. So once you click on the publish, it goes to this detail page. Here by default your campaign is in the draft mode. You need to select the live. You need to change the date and time as per your need. So for example, I have this campaign for a couple of days, and just click on save. So once you click on the save, the campaign is live. Here is the URL which you need to send with your customers. You can also have the QR code. We have lots of options over there. If you want to change this QR code look and feel, then you can do it. Also, this is the preview URL. So for example, at any stage you want to play this game without affecting your statistics, then you can use the preview URL, and for the live you can use this. Now let's go from one by one. So in the first statistics, you are able to see that how many visitors are there, what is the IP, if they won or lose. So all things you can see over here. In the result page, you are able to see the data like who won, who lost, what is their date, what type of IP address they use. So all the data will be shown over here. Also, when you click more details, there is a whole timeline over there which you can use to check. Publish is I already shared recently, like publish when you can actually publish your campaign. Rewards. So this is the interesting part. So whatever prizes you want to make as a winner or loser, you can add into the reward section. Basically, once you create a campaign from our template, we will give you a one winner and one loser rewards over there, and you can add as per unit. So for example, if you want to add, you need to provide the reward name, you need to upload the image of that particular reward, and here there is a two type. Either the reward is a winner, either this reward is a loser. So as per your campaign, you can select that. Is it active or inactive? So for example, you want your some reward will be going live after a couple of days of your actual campaign. So until that you can make them inactive, and once you want you can make it active. So as per your use case, you can do this. Here in the count, you need to provide the number of counts of this particular reward. So for example, this reward, I have a 500 inventory of this reward. So you need to do that. Now the general setting. So general setting is the setting, it's the same setting. You are able to change the campaign name, you are able to change the campaign type and all things, but you are not able to change this. So once you start the campaign, this will be finalized one. Validation. So as I told you in the previously, if you have a validation, then you can just open that and you can create a master password over there. So when someone come to your store and ask for validation, you can just use this. Same as a location master. So if you have multiple stores, then you can create a multiple master passwords, and it will show over here. In the admin panel, this is directly. So when you go to the results, here you are able to see the approve and rejects option over there if that is enabled. Integration. So as of now, we have outgoing webhooks, so you can just connect Gamify Route to any of already available in the market. So here are our examples. You can see we have multiple actions over there. As per the action, you can just configure your webhook. Sharing option. So this is the one of the options where you can share, like when the URL is generated, if you share that URL on the Facebook or Twitter or some kind of that, what title, what description and what image will be look over there, this is you can customize from here. Anti-fraud. So in the anti-fraud, if someone abusing your system, then you can just restrict their IP address or restrict their email address, and system will be not allow them to play this campaign. In the advanced section, like for example, you want your user to play your game immediately, like one by one as per your scenario. So you can put as a immediate replay. But for example, if you want to play only after certain hours or only after end of the day, or maybe it's only one time, then you can select this option. Also, as I told you, like there is a claim expiration and validation expiration, so you can add as per your requirement. So basically, this is the whole walkthrough of the campaign section. Anytime you can just see all the statistics over there. You can share your campaign from here, and whenever you want, you can just go to the editor and change it. So that's it from our end. I hope you liked it. We'll catch you later in the next one. See you soon. Bye.